Għall-Prim Ministru Joseph Muscat, il-ftehim tal-Gvern mal-kumpanija Ċiniża Huawei ma jistax jiġi kwantifikat f'miljuni. Il-flus mhux il-punt ewlieni sostna Muscat, għalkemm fil-verità din hija kwistjoni ta' flus għaliex din kellha tkun l-ewwel ħidma maġġuri ta' Sajmitsi f'sentejn. Meta staqsejna dwar dan lill-Prim Ministru huwa qalilna li din hija domanda stupida.
I think it would be quite simplistic to just reduce it to just a quantification in terms of millions. I do believe, for one, that is not the main plus of all this.
It is important because we're forging out money, 13,000 a month for the job Mrs. Smith is conducting in Shanghai.
I think you are I'll do. I think that is a very.
All is down to money.
I think that is honestly. Something that you can do when we are in a political meeting, and that's something that I am willing to answer those sort of questions. I think that is not the way to behave in front of our foreign guests. But I'm just asking a simple question. Yes, it looked like a stupid question to our guests.
Okay, thanks. Thank you very much for insulting the journalists.
No, I'm not insulting the journalists. I'm saying no. I don't think we should answer that, and we.
Wara l-iffirmar tal-Memorandum of Understanding, Joseph Muscat ikkonferma li din il-kumpanija se toħloq 10 impjiegi għalkemm ma qalx jekk dawn l-10 hux se jkunu jobs għal ħaddiema Maltin.
Can you tell us how much jobs this investment
There will be an initial inlay of this office, which I believe is around 10 jobs.
Dan ifisser li sissa lanqas biss nafu kemm se tinvesti f'pajjiżna l-kumpanija Huawei, la nafu meta se tiftaħ eżatt l-uffiċċju f'Malta u lanqas nafu jekk l-impjiegi hux se jkunu għal Maltin. Fl-istess ċerimonja, Joseph Muscat der skomdu jwieġeb quddiem ir-rappreżentanti tal-Huawei dwar it-13,000 euro fix-xahar li qed iddaħħal Sajmitsi. Intant qabel l-iffirmar tal-ftehim ma' Huawei, is-Segretarju Parlamentari José Herrera sostna li din il-partnership ma' Ċiniżi hija frott il-ħidma li jagħmel u t-tim tiegħu wara żjara li kellhom ftit ta' xhur ilu f'Shenzhen.